Hey, what's up everybody, this is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be checking out Hot Wheels boxed set of Deutschland design cars, and this is from Amazon, and I will put my affiliate link down below for this set. I would jump on it as soon as you can because I know the last few of these that I looked into kind of like disappeared, so get them while you can. Alright, we'll get rid of the unboxing, which is kind of cool. I like these crate ones. This is a great idea from Hot Wheels. So if you want the whole set, you can just get it this way instead of buying them individually for $6 a piece in the store. I think I did pre-slit the end here, but there's shows the 5 cars on the back. Get the Mercedes Sprinter van, Audi S4 Quattro, Porsche 911 GT3 RS, Mercedes C63, and the Mercedes DTM race car. This is the first time I've had one of these in my hands, so I'm not sure what to expect here with this, with the packaging. That's pretty cool. Oh wow, this is cool. So this is supposed to look like a shipping container. I like here it says 5 cars. Well, this is really trick. How do you open it up though? Let's see. Oh, okay, I like that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, I'll pull them out and we'll go one at a time. I'll start from the left and we'll go to the right and do show them up on the turntable. Try to get them out of here. I like this idea though, I really do. Alright, first up we have the Mercedes Sprinter van, this is like a camper version, and this thing is great. It's really cool. Great color choice. I love the accents on it. I like the wheel choice. Everything about this is, to me, is nearly perfect. Feels like it might be a plastic base on this one. Nope. Can't tell. I think it is a metal base. It almost felt like it was plastic. Really a lot of nice details on it. Got some side marker detailing. Got a brush guard. Really nice job. I like that one a lot. That's cool. Alright, we'll move on to the next one, which is the Audi S4. Alright, so here we have the Audi S4 Quattro. This was kind of like the 2001, I believe it's what the B4 body style. I had a friend when these first came out. He had an 01, I believe, and he ended up doing the RS, like the RS rear flares, and I think it had a little over 500 horsepower. He had all kinds of stuff done to it. This one is in a Mola, I believe is what they call it, Mola yellow. Really nice. Lots of nice details on it. I'm thinking this debuted in this set, I'm pretty sure. Because I don't think there was a base, no, a main line of this. I'm sure it will be eventually. Look at the headlight details and stuff look great on this. Black interior. Satin black metal base. Yeah, it's nearly perfect. Really, really great. Can't beat that. Alrighty, I'll move right on to the Porsche GT3 RS. This one is probably one of the more popular ones out of the set. I would say that people were snatching up in the stores. I think this was a really popular one. I can't tell if this is supposed to be golf. I think it's supposed to be like golf blue. I don't know if it's quite Mexico blue. I think Mexico blue would be a little bit brighter. Might be Mexico blue or Riviera blue. I think Riviera blue is a lot brighter blue, but either way, this is a really, really a great one. Perfect wheel choice. The details are great on this. Satin black metal base. Now this is an 07 body style GT3 RS. So it doesn't have the like the newer ones, it doesn't have the fender air extraction details. I don't know. This might be one of my favorites out of the set. That's really, really nice. It's cool that we have the mirrors on all three of them so far. Actually, all 5 cars have exterior mirrors, which is kind of unusual for Hot Wheels that they all have mirrors. So that would be easy enough to take a chrome marker and detail the mirrors. And maybe do the end caps of the spoiler in black and detail a couple things on it. It would be good to go. Alright, we'll move on to the Mercedes. Next up, we had the Mercedes C63. This is a 2012 AMG Black Series. This thing is wicked. This one here really looks a lot better, I think, out of the pack than what I saw online. So far from what I'm seeing, this thing is just really, really cool. Great details on it. I love it. I love the hood. I love the front. Satin black metal base. Wheel choice is good. Even has, it looks like it's even black. Yeah, the rain gutters even have black tampo details. That's really nice. That's very unusual for Hot Wheels to have that detail like that. That one is, oh no, this whole set is just gorgeous. It really is. Alright, we'll move on to the very last one. The Mercedes DTM. Look at that. Isn't that wicked? How awesome is that? And, ooh, it almost took off. They have an Alfa Romeo coming out of the same era, and that one looks really cool as well. The Alfa DTM. Or it might be BTCC Racer. Either way, it'll look from the same era as this. It's going to be awesome. Look at the whole front end. It's like could just scoop up a cow off the track, and I mean, it is absolutely incredible. The details on this is just great. There's a nasty mark on the back window there, but that might be able to, yeah, I could polish that out. I love the all over tampos on this. Really cool. So, alright, we're moving along here. Hopefully, I'll try to keep us at 10 minutes, 12 minutes, maybe max. I'll go ahead here and we'll get a shot of all of them up on the turntable. You guys have to let me know down below what you thought of these. Do you like this set? Do you have a favorite? And maybe list, your favorite, or one or two or even three of your favorites out of the set. I'm just curious what other people think of this set, but I think this is one of the coolest sets in a while to come out, in my opinion. Of course, I'm a German car fan. I don't know if I can get all these on the turntable. We're going to try. So there we have all of them up on the turntable, as you can see. And isn't this set absolutely incredible? I think this set is just wicked. A great set. I mean, it's kind of odd seeing the van thrown in there. That's a little strange with their sports cars and sports sedans, but I think it's kind of forgivable. Yeah, this set is something else. I love every one of them. So that's it. That is all 5 of them from the Deutschland Design 5-car crate set. I'm not sure if they're ever going to sell these like this in the store or not, but I know on Amazon you can find them, and on eBay you can find them as well. Best bet would probably just head to Amazon. Like I said, I'll put my affiliate link down below. Hopefully it'll work. And you guys can... Oh, let me back out a little bit. There we go. But you guys have a good night. If you like this type of video, be sure to like, keep getting tired. Give me a share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I don't know. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm getting kind of tired, so might not be making any sense at the moment. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And I will see you guys next time. I'll see you guys soon. You guys have a good night. Talk to you later. Bye now.